The marks are to 10.
Yes, what is that? Daha parak liya nathuwa, without writing this 10 times, you have method to do that. What is that? Yes?
In the marks are to 10 them.
එහෙම කැමති කැමතිව කරන්න බෑ. You can't do like that. You have a mechanism. Gayatri, what is the mechanism? If you want to do something 10 times, we learned that. How to do that? How to do something 10 times. How we have printed odd numbers from 1 to 10. How we have printed even numbers from 1 to 10. Yes? Hello? Appear karane, the odd numbers from 1 to 10, even numbers from 1 to 10. We did that. Yes? What we have to use? So this everything depends on 3 things. So last day also we discussed everything depends on 3 things. So programming, we have to learn 3 things. What are those 3 things? So those are called control structures. What are those 3 control structures? This is there in your book also, right? So what are the 3 control structures? You should know that. This you cannot say, I don't know. You have learned several times. This is not the first time that you are remembering this. Right? What are those control structures? How to control that? How to control the structure of the programming? There are 3 things. What are they?